3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture. May 31st, 2018. Tomorrow's June. It's pretty much summer. It's upon us. What's going to happen with crypto this summer? Is it going to be a bearish summer or a bullish one? Hopefully bullish. It'll be more fun probably. But in this video, I want to go over just a couple pieces of news because it's something I've talked about here and there throughout a lot of the TA videos. But let's jump in and look at these couple pieces of news. So first one, Ripple CEO, Bitcoin's influence over cryptocurrency prices is almost over. Bring on the USD trading pairs. And it's a pretty long article. I'll put a link in the description below. But pretty much right here talking about in the past up until now, if you want to buy an altcoin, you pretty much have to get into Bitcoin first to make that happen. And that's starting to shift a little bit. So in terms of needing to use Bitcoin, they're saying for altcoins, this is problematic for a number of reasons. Most important is probably the correlation with Bitcoin price on its underlying value. If Bitcoin tumbles 20%, for example, there's a good chance its trading pair will depreciate in value as well. And that's how it's been, right? That's why everybody's always saying, Dan, you should use Bitcoin charts because everything follows a trend of Bitcoin. And I've been saying that's not going to be the case forever. So I'd rather use USD because that shift has slowly begun happening. So one thing to point out in this article, it says, for what it's worth, I believe Garinghouse is correct, but it'll take direct to fiat trading pairs to make it happen. Direct to fiat trading pairs. So think of an altcoin, think about purchasing it directly with USD. Once investors can purchase XRP, for example, and trade it against USD, its value will no longer be tied to Bitcoin and its wild price swings. That won't stop volatility, but it will ensure that rapid price swings are caused by actively related to XRP or the cryptocurrency market as a whole and not just Bitcoin. So it's true. USD trading pairs for XRP, whatever, it's not going to change volatility in this market that we're in. I think there's going to be probably a few more years of that and price swings, which probably a lot of you would be excited about. A lot of people would be excited for 20% price swings here and there. But this is big news because I have another article to go over, which is from Bloomberg, came out. Bittrex gets bank agreement to help you buy Bitcoin with dollars. So let's see what that looks like. The closely held firm said the pact will let corporate clients in some states buy virtual tokens using dollars, a move that could help the trading venue bring in more users. Bittrex is working with New York-based Signature Bank, which will hold the dollar-denominated funds along with other financial firms. And then CEO Bill Shihara says it's been a long path. It's not just about banks being able to trust Bittrex. It's about banks being able to trust crypto in general. And I think it's really showing that crypto is turning the corner in terms of mainstream acceptance. So Bitcoin has always been the doorway pretty much to altcoins, right? And now with things like this Bittrex deal with this, Signature Bank, it's just another doorway being opened and another shift being open in terms of what Ripple CEO was talking about, which is these direct fiat trading pairs to be able to buy altcoins. And I thought it was just kind of a noteworthy piece of news to bring up in a quick video because a lot of comments I get on this channel, especially because I do a lot of Litecoin technical analysis and sometimes Bitcoin and Ethereum and a few other altcoins. But it's just a big piece of news because when I say that I don't like just following Bitcoin trading pairs with Litecoin, this is why, because this shift that's happening, and as more and more banks get on board with these exchanges to be able to do things like this, I think that price swings that will continue to happen, whether it's Litecoin, whatever coin it is, they're going to continue happening. Volatility will continue to be there. However, they won't be tied to Bitcoin. So on a day where you see Bitcoin go up 30%, Litecoin actually might not go up 30%, if you can believe it or not. And on a day when Bitcoin is down 30%, Litecoin might be up 10%. So that day is ahead of us somewhere in the future. Depending on how quick this shift happens is the length of time it will take, but I think it's sooner than later. And so I thought it would be noteworthy to bring this up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, because I know I get a lot of comments about this. So do you think this shift is coming? Do you think Bitcoin will always control the movement of every altcoin, or do you think that will soon change? Let me know below. I'm curious to see what you all think. I appreciate you today. It is Friday tomorrow. I hope you have a great weekend. Probably do another video in a little bit here, but appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video, and God bless.